Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up CopilotKit, the powerful open-source framework that helps you build in-app copilots with ease, all in under 5 minutes. If you want a lightning-fast, cloud-ready setup and a fully branded, AI-powered chat UI in your own app, this is the place to start. First up, what is CopilotKit? It's an open-source framework that helps you embed AI copilots inside your own apps. Think ChatGPT in your app, but totally customizable and under your control. At its core, CopilotKit is a set of tools that make it easy to let your users work alongside large language models, LLMs, to accomplish generative tasks directly in your application. Instead of just using the LLM to generate content, you can let it take direct action alongside your users. Interacting with these models can be done directly, standard, or through agents, co-agents. The CopilotKit docs give us a clear setup path, from CLI bootstrapping to full self-hosting options. Let's walk through each setup route. Let's look at the key parts. First, in the app directory, we have layout.tsx. This is the main entry point for our UI structure. We saw how it sets up the basic HTML and, importantly, wraps the entire application with the CopilotKit provider. This provider is essential. It's where you put your Copilot Cloud API key and enables all the AI features throughout the app. Also in app is page.tsx. This is the main page component that users see. It likely orchestrates the display of the email interface, bringing together the different components we'll discuss. Now, let's jump into the lib folder, specifically lib/hook/useemails.tsx. This is the heart of our email state management. It uses React context to hold the list of emails and provides a send email function to add new replies. Crucially, it uses the use Copilot readable hook, passing the email list and a description. This makes the entire email thread visible to the CopilotKit AI, allowing it to generate context-aware suggestions. Over in the components directory, we have emailthread.tsx. While we haven't looked inside, its job is almost certainly to display the actual email messages. It would use the use emails hook we just discussed to get the list of emails and render them. Then there's components/reply.tsx. This is where the user types their reply. Instead of a regular text area, it uses the special Copilot text area component from at CopilotKit/React text area. We configured this component with a textarea purpose to give the AI specific instructions for this input field, like assist me in replying to this email thread. When the user clicks the reply button, this component calls the send email function provided by our use emails hook, adding the new message to our state. Supporting these are files like lib/emails.types.ts, which just defines the structure of an email object, and the component/UI folder, likely containing standard UI elements like buttons and text areas, possibly from a library like shadcon/UI. Finally, we have standard configuration files like package.json for dependencies, next.config.mjs for next.js settings, and tailwind.config.ts for styling. So, the flow is, layout.tsx sets up CopilotKit. Page.tsx renders the main UI. Emailthread.tsx displays the emails from the context managed by useemails.tsx. The reply.tsx component uses Copilot textarea for AI-assisted input, leveraging the context made readable by use Copilot readable in useemails.tsx, and sends the reply back through the context. It's a great example of how to integrate AI assistance directly into a specific part of your application using CopilotKit's specialized components and state management hooks. Hope this overview was helpful. Let me know your thoughts below.